Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make honey sriracha chicken dip. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 2 pounds of thin sliced boneless skinless chicken breast. And then you're going to need a half a cup of chicken broth, a half a cup of sriracha sauce, 4 tablespoons of honey, 16 ounces, which is 2 packages of cream cheese, and you want that softened, and then 2 cups of some kind of shredded cheese. I'm using cheddar jack. You can use any kind you like, and of course you need a crock pot or slow cooker, something like that. Alright, so for our first step, I just went ahead and lined the bottom of my crock pot with my skinless, boneless, thin sliced chicken. Okay, so our next step is in a small bowl. We are going to whisk together our chicken broth, sriracha sauce, and honey, and just pour it over top of our chicken. Alright, that looks nice and mixed together, so I'm going to pour it over top of my chicken here. Alright, now I'm going to put the lid on this and cook it for 4 to 6 hours on low or 2 to 3 on high, and then we're going to shred it. Alright, my chicken has been cooking for about 4 hours on low, about 4.5. So I just took my 2 forks and shredded it, and now I am going to add in my cream cheese. I'll probably cube it and add it in with my cheese and cook that on high for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, all my cheeses are added in, so I'm just going to cover this and put it up to high for about 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, my dip is all ready to go. Everything is nice and mixed, so we are going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Good enough, Mama. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, like, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.